a ride. Almost at the club, baby, make a ride.
What up, YouTube? We back. We out here about to shoot another video. Say what up to the YouTube, Mark.
Yo.
He's there with his other BMW. I'm gonna show y'all that first. Ooh. We'll get into the nitty gritty of the engine and everything soon. Alright. So what we're doing today is getting ready to go get my exhaust done. What I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna do a startup, cold start, a little warm up and rev, so y'all can see what it's like before, and then I'll show you the after. So let's get it. Alright, here we go. Up, so I'm gonna give it a little rev for the warm up here. Woo! We made it. Nice little speeding ride or whatever, you know. Had a Subi with us, but I don't know who he was. But we here. EXP Performance. If you want a number or anything, come get your work done. That's the tuner right there. Do some serious work here. I'll show you guys my parts and everything real quick. But it's about to get on the lift. And then we'll see what we're looking at for the before. All right, we are up on the lift now. Damn, this thing look good, period. All right, so let's see what we got down here. All right, so the catless downpipes that I put in recently. I'm going 2.5 straight back to 2 resonators and then an X pipe. So I'll be going from 4 cats to and 2 mufflers to 2 resonators and an X pipe, and that's it. So all those cats are gonna be removed. Gonna come straight back. All the little kinks and stuff are gonna be gone. Quad tips, that's why I put the diffuser on. I might even sell this after I finish with it. Yeah, so when they're done, I'll be back, and it'll be even louder, and my neighbors will most likely hate me even more, but it's alright. Alright, before we head out, this is all the piping. I got this from Jegs, 2.5 stainless steel piping, but the best looking stuff is right here. Vibrant resonators, 2 of them. 2.5 obviously, because everything is going 2.5 sadly, and not 3. But 2 of these 12-inch ones, and then this is the whole reason for doing custom exhaust. This is the only thing I wanted. If it went straight from the downpipes to these, I'd be fine with that. But I can't straight pipe it because it's too loud. But yeah. Whew. Damn. So yeah. Once everything is done, come back, hopefully get a shot of it while it's still on the lift, and then show you guys what it sounds like. Alright everybody, so we're back here at EXP Performance. Came to get the car back. Already went in or whatever, but I found out that they chopped up my stock exhaust. No, I did not see that coming. So yeah, anywho, they chopped up my stock exhaust, and so now I'm only taking the muffler and the cats with it, so I'm trying to sell the cats, but I really didn't expect them to chop it up. So if you do come here to get stuff done, make sure you let them know what you want exactly. But in other news, here it is. So this is how it's looking right now. Haven't started it up yet, but we'll probably start it up in a little bit. I think it looks good. We'll see what it sounds like in a little bit. Alright, so we got it back on the lift. This is what it's looking like. No kinks, X pipe. Go straight back. 2 resonators and the tips. This is literally the best view of the car right now. So yeah. Alright, time for the cold start to see what it sounds like.
You crazy.
So as you guys saw, I got the car back yesterday. So I think they had it running a little bit before I got it. So I'm not sure if I actually got a real cold start of the car or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead right now, before I wash it, I'm gonna do this cold start. Hasn't been ran all morning, so we'll see what the beautiful exhaust has to offer for us. And them burnt tips look so good. Woo, I'm gonna have to be cleaning them things. Let's get it. All right, here we go. First official cold start. So what I did do with the exhaust is, obviously went to EXP Performance. They did a really good job. Hit me up if you need to know the number for them or anything like that. What I did was I got rid of the primary cats with the catless downpipes from VRSF. I got rid of the secondary cats and the mufflers, and I upgraded to 2.5 inch piping, straight back, pie cut or mandrel bend, whatever they call it. And I just have 2 resonators and the tips. So 2 resonators in the car. It's not too loud. It's just right. So I'm about to go ahead and check this catch can to see if it's got oil in it, maybe. And then I'm gonna wash it, and probably wash Nipsey too. But catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Once again, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Catch you in the next video. Peace.
Vegas nights playing cards, shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit we all eat. Hear me well, no I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my section, they shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.